I don't think I've done a video yet on my Tetrapanax. This is a Tetrapanax papyrifer. Um, the standard form has much smaller leaves. It's also known as the rice paper plant, I believe Japanese rice paper plant. This one is the cultivar called steroidal giant. They have one in the UK they called T-Rex. I'm sure they're probably the same. So these are probably about the biggest leaf, aside from maybe the musabaju banana that you can get. I just measured them and they are about 40 inches across and deep. So about 3.5 foot. Try and put my hand in there. So this plant is a little bit bigger than it looks. Maybe if I come out in the sun, you'll get a better shot of it. It's in the shade right now. We'll get sun in the afternoon. I put this one in a couple years ago. It was just a small sucker off of I think one of the ones at the nursery. And these will run. Mine have not. I wish they would, because I would like to get a few more pups that I can give away and plant in a couple of other areas of the yard. It seems to do pretty well, sun or shade. The more sun it gets, the faster it grows, but it seems to get a little bit more yellow. I think because it grows so fast, lots of water. Fertilize it. I haven't fertilized it, but lots of water. This is pretty good soil here. They seem to do pretty good. I have another one over here. This one I moved, and this one was actually the bigger of the two, and it really set it back for a year. But it's starting to come on strong this year. These leaves are maybe half the size of the other one. So the one thing you gotta watch out for is you will see this fuzzy material. Tomentum is what I believe they call it. And some people are highly allergic to it, so just be careful when you're around it. But really nice, very tropical, fast growing. I'm in 8B, I think, and you can grow it in zone 7, but it will die back to the ground. We usually, I guess every once in a while they take damage, but I've not had any damage on mine. They will start to flower, and I think you'll see the stalks in October or November, and usually it gets too cold here. The frost comes and kills the flowers, so it's pretty unusual to see them flowering in our climate. Anyway, this is Tetrapanax steroidal giant.